gold morning everyone. So how was your trading night? I hope you had a profitable night. So this was our position last night above the 1910, around 1913. Then I signaled the buy in our telegram last night. So the reason for that one will be detailed in the anti-magic playbook, which will be released soon. Okay, here, so as we can see, I'll explain it briefly. As we can see in the weekly candle, here we have a resistance on the previous 1920, 26. Then created a rejection here at the 1911, 40. Created a base here at the 1919. So your base would be 1919 and the 1911. So that's why when the price went to 1920 below, I already signaled a buy. But the first setup failed, and then the last chance was just below the 1914 level. Okay, why is it that at that level? Looking at the H4 candle, you can see here. So I think everybody was looking at this support. Okay, this 1910, the 1911 support. Why? Because it's pretty obvious that this is a support here. Okay, this is a support here at the 1910, 1911. Okay, looking at the time, so this is a US session time here. This time it's a weak support. Okay, weak support in a sense that it happened just after the 10 US. This is a later US session. So pasarado na yung New York session nang nangyari itong support na yan. So there's not much enough volume there. Okay, that's why if the price will visit that area, siguradong tatagos yan diretso sa 1900. Okay, so bakit tayo dito kumuha ng support? So everybody was looking at here, I was looking at here. Okay, bakit? This support, okay, kung dito kayo kukuha ng support, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 hour candle before siya umangat pataas. Okay, the reaction was nag-consolidate muna before siya umangat, and then the candle that break out at that point is 1910 to 1914. That's only 40 pips. So napakaliit na reaction lang yan mangyayari dyan. Okay, the reaction kung nandyan na yung presyo is here 1903. Tita mo, 1910 to 1903. That's a 70 pip move. So when the price visit that price again, there's a high probability that it could go down to 1903 or 1902. That's a 70 pip range. Whereas kung dyan siya pupunta, tapos ito lang yung magiging push mo, that's a 40 pip range. That's very minimal. Okay, dito makita natin, this is a support at 1913. Okay, this is a solid support. Why? This is a bullish, very big bullish candle. So pag patong niya dyan, ilan yung niya angat? That's around 13 or 130 pip move. When price visited that level, there's a high probability that it could repeat its move na 130 pips. That's what happened last night. Pagkabisita niya dyan, there's a 100 pip move. Alright, there's a 100 pip move. Okay, so just take note of this. If you are waiting for support, look at that support. Okay, what is the reaction of the market when that support is visited? Okay, here, pag nakita natin, ulitin natin. Nag-consolidate siya before going up, but the push up was around 40 pips. 4 hours, 40 pips. That's very slow. Okay, so looking at another support here. Okay, 4 hour candle, 100 pip. That is very good movement. That's why I was telling you to buy gold at that level. Okay, no special indicators, just pure eye indicator. And then what else? Next is this movement. So makita natin siya, 4 hour candle. There's a low probability that it will test this 1909. Bakit? Pag nag-bearish siya na malaki, masyadong malaki, is there a news? Why would it move like that? So always put a Y on every trade that you make. Why would it move like that? Why would it reach that level? So what is the catalyst now? You put a Y, you put a what? What is the catalyst? Is there a news? Is there a high impact news? Is there a sentiment by the market? So the sentiment of the market was, I'll explain it later in our Zoom, that the result of the NFP and the JOLTS is not good generally for the economy of the US. Okay, because of the Fed's upcoming FOMC meeting. So yun lang. Okay, so I hope you got some ideas here how we look at support and resistances. Okay, so whatever you call it, supply demand, I don't care. Basta tawag ko dyan support and resistance. So I don't use lines, I don't use any kind of mga indicators. I just use my eyes to look at some support and resistances and getting the piece together. Fundamentals, technicals, plus the market sentiment. So good luck everyone, have a nice day, God bless.